My name is Amanda Carlson, but you might know me better as A House C. I'm a portrait photographer and I'm absolutely passionate about it. I love finding the best features in people. I think the passion hit the hardest when I had people tell me that they saw themselves beautiful for the first time. I'm also passionate about design. Design definitely influenced my photography more than I actually expected. The best designs are the ones where you see and you're like, why didn't I think of that? I find myself finding shapes in a lot of light patterns, composing things differently. I find myself drawn to very clean, simple, but like incredibly effective photos. I can't shoot with somebody without trying something new. Okay, we did the headshots, now let's move on to put this blanket on your head and let me shine a flashlight at you. If you don't have your own personal brand, if you don't have a feeling that somebody looks at your work, you really need to get that. People come to you for that feeling. People come to you for some kind of connection.